What day is it? November 29th. We have someone about to join us. Say hello. Do you like to smoke your baby? Say please. That's so kind. You have the nicest manners. Anyways, I have been working most of the day and I actually ended up filming a different vlog this morning. I'm not sure when it's gonna go live, but I really wanna start targeting a lot more of my footage or my content towards my fitness and like my yoga routine and just basically how I'm expanding in terms of health, wellness, fitness, all that good stuff. Bentley, please stop barking at the dogs outside. I've been getting a lot more into strength training, and fitness has always been something that I've loved. Ever since differentiating that this is gonna be more vlog style content, a big side of my life right now, or that I've been really committing to, my time, my mind space, my everything is not being taken up by like a guy right now. And throughout my life, I've been a relationship girl. So most of the time I'm either thinking about somebody, wanting to spend time with somebody, and just taking this time lately to kind of focus on myself. I feel like it's been sick because I've had all this open time to just focus on things like my yoga and my fitness routine, my health and my wellness. But anyways, I don't know why I'm even rambling about this. That was this morning's video. Because I knew after my workout, I was just gonna be here doing some work. I had my counseling session today, meeting on the phone today, and then I also had to do some computer work and all that stuff. I just finished my lunch and now I want to change and I want to hit the mall. Today's video is going to be part of the theme amongst change that's been going on. You guys saw Wednesday's video. I talk about how I changed my hair color and how deep of a meaning it kind of had for me. And I want to kind of change up the clothes that I'm wearing, and I want to kind of change up my bedroom a little bit. So we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing haul mixed with a bit of like a closet makeover and a bedroom makeover. I'm also partnering with Magic Links and Revolve on this video, so definitely check out all the magic links down below if you guys want to check out anything that's actually in this video. My new fashion for not only like the winter months moving into the new year, but also having dark hair now. I feel like I've been kind of wanting to switch up my style a little bit, so I got to pick out a couple little cute things that I decided we're gonna start the collection of just like changing up my style a little bit. So one of the biggest things that I'm super excited for, and I'm actually wearing it today, but having dark hair, I feel like I can wear gray again. I don't know why, but I always felt when I wore gray when I was blonde, it kind of washed me out. So I picked up this adorable sweater. It's like stretchier material, and then it has this like cinching going on around your waist and also on the sleeves. Dinner or like wine, things like that, but it's also so warm, and like the inside looks like, so I feel like it'll be such a warm, cute staple. You could even wear this with a skirt, like tucked into a skirt. Sticking with the gray theme. This sweater, this is kind of like almost like a silver sweater, velvet almost sweater dress. Looks like this. It's got the turtleneck, which I just folded down. You'd be able to layer it easily, and then it's a little longer too, so you could also just tie a belt around it and stuff. Next, you guys are gonna notice I'm kind of digging into metallics lately. So I picked up this gold, it's almost like a rose gold bodysuit, and it looks like this in the front. Again, it's kind of got that like metallic-y material to it, super duper stretchy, and then the back is so freaking cute. It like crisscrosses in the back. I feel like this would be like a nice like holiday, if I ever did like a holiday yoga video, I could wear this because it's like a metallic bodysuit. It's okay. It's okay. Reverse sneezing. He's totally fine, by the way. It's just called reverse sneezing. Happens when he comes in from the cold. So sticking with the metallic theme, but getting a little bit more colorful. Navy blue metallic bodysuit as well. So this one is long sleeve. You take the two straps and tie the back, so it's like super low back and low cut. Really just watching the snow. Are you ready? No, go about your business. You were being so cute. And then I have two more things to show you guys from Revolve. So the first one, this is so sick. I was in a big bodysuit mood because I feel like if you have the perfect pair of jeans, you can just get so many cute bodysuits, and you have so many, suddenly you have so many outfits. Super like New Year's Eve. All I can think of. It's like white and silver sequins. So cute for the winter time. Oh, this is adorable. I feel like I could totally rock this for like something New Year's related, you know? Everything that I can find, I will definitely be sure to list it there. And aside from that, let's get into it. I'm in a work at home outfit. The sweater, my brother gave this to me. A giant guy's sweater. I cropped it. Just wearing some Lulu leggings, which honestly I'm probably gonna wear out some gray socks. One of the things that I want to do is turn this corner into like a beanbag corner, you know, like a little nook that we can meditate in and read in and write our journals in. I've been just like morphing words today. That's kind of the plan.
I would say it's cold. It appears to be cloudy right now in Toronto with a temperature of 3 degrees.
3 degrees is actually not that bad. Do a little change. Honestly, I'm still wearing the exact same outfit. Just changed into this sweater, which I've been getting a lot of questions about, by the way. This is actually my papa's sweater. This is one of the sweaters that I took from his closet. My Nana gave me and my siblings a chance to kind of go through his things and see what we wanted to take, and this was one of the sweaters that I took with me. I think this is actually the only thing that I took with me. It's so cute and it's so comfy, and then I'm just gonna throw a jacket on. When I was blonde, I felt like it kind of washed me out, but now that I'm brunette, I feel like it's just like, it's been my go-to every time I just want to dress comfy, but cute and cozy for the winter. 3:50, so around 5 p.m. downtown Toronto gets absolutely bananas. Trying to be efficient because otherwise I'm gonna be sitting in an Uber for a very long time. Let's go. Hello.
Well, you stood out like a bright light, and at first I was just trying to kick it, but it turns out time goes by. You're the piece that my heart's been missing. If I change for the better, tell me, would you rock my sweater? Say if it would make a difference. You tell me, baby, would you listen? Cause I don't know if it's too late.
$1 McCafe Premium Roast with rich, smooth, and delicious tasties.ca for details.
Is that gonna work? We're gonna make it work. Tonight, we're doing Operation Room, and I feel like my makeover will be complete. I went to HomeSense, and this is what I picked up for my room. I ended up going with a vibe for the winter that's like whites, gray, pink, and gold. Those are like the 4 main colors that I tried to kind of stay in, with some pops of black here and there. I don't know, I feel like pink is one of those colors that I can actually transition into January, February. If I had done like red or whatever, I know that it's just not something I'm gonna want for the new year. So I got a lot of pillows and blankets. This pillow is a long pillow. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in like the cozy nook corner of the room or what, but it's just this long, plush, like soft pink pillow. I also picked up new bedding, so I decided to try a new duvet set, and I saw this literally on my way out. It's supposed to feel like velvet. So I'll show you guys the finishing product, but that's like what it's gonna look like, and it's just like, I got some stuff to go up on the shelves. The first one being this little Christmas tree for either my side table or one of my shelves. Faux fur throws, which I'm gonna put underneath the little beanbag corner nooks. More pillows for my bed, cream decor pillows. I also got a few candles. The first one is Sand and Fog Holiday Berry Essential Oils. It's hand poured and it smells so good. It literally smells like holiday berry, which I guess makes sense since that's what they called it. And I like the plaid. It's like black and white plaid, so I feel like it'll add to like the Christmassy vibes. Little black and white clock that I'm gonna put up on one of the shelves, la 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 la, because Christmas, right? It smells kind of like balsam. It's not like my favorite smell, but it's so Christmassy. I got another little furry pillow for my bed. It's again in that like pink fuzzy color. I also saw this blanket and I freaking died. Not that I need any more freaking blankets. I am like a cozy, I was just about to say the cozy queen, but literally, like it's something about being cozy. I love having just a million blankets and like pillows. And then everything else is just little knickknacks, but I'll show you guys. This I thought was really cool. It's this little sand timer, but it's like black sand on the inside, and it's exactly 5 minutes. When it comes to doing like annoying tasks, you know those procrastination tasks that you just keep putting off? Like, so this is one of those things that I feel like I'm actually gonna be able to use in my day-to-day life, but it's also like just a mood in itself because it's black sand. And then the rest are candles, I'm not gonna lie. This one's called DW Home Cozy Sweater. First it's like black kind of, and then it has this little marble and gold top. Oh my god. Oh, it smells so good. This other little baby candle that I got that smells like mahogany teak wood. I totally forgot about this, but this is actually my favorite thing that I purchased today. I saw this little old school cream and gold vintage car. Can we just take a moment for this? This is the cutest thing ever. I don't know why I think of Getaway Car by Taylor Swift, but yeah. Kind of like in the big comfy couch, I'm just gonna speed this up really fast and give my room a little mini winter makeover. Start the clock.
Best man, I won't start acting like I understand. like you a lot. Yeah, I like you. Yeah, I like you. Down to earth, but you need space. So you alienate me and call me baby. I'm in a maze of your heartache.
Alright guys, are you ready for the newest update on my bedroom? It's a little bit messy because we're about to do a little unboxing haul, but here's how the little nook turned out. I was just wearing these, so beautiful merman topping our tree, Christmas tree, the rug coming out from underneath, and then the seating area, all the little knickknacks over here, and then this is what the bed looks like now. It's kind of messy because Bentley was digging under the pillows earlier to nap. And then finally we just have this little nightstand situation going on, and then I updated all the bookshelves and stuff as well. So yeah, that's pretty much the update on the bedroom. So unboxing haul. Super excited. So I just have a couple other little things to share with you guys. Moonstone Maine actually sent me her holiday scrunchies, which thank you. I was so excited when I opened these. I'll leave the link to the Moonstone Maine scrunchies down below, but these have been like my go-to scrunchies lately. She makes the most adorable, like look at this. These are, I know these are the holiday ones because I was creeping her Instagram the other day. Literally was not expecting her to send me more. So thank you so much. But like look at this. This is like black and white plaid. Two of them in here that are more velvet material, which again, with like the Christmas time, like look at this. It's like a burgundy plush, almost like velvet. And then same again too with this one. This one's so cute. It's like emerald green. This is the holiday scrunchies from Moonstone, Maine. And then last but not least, I have a suitcase. I got this in the mail, which is actually really funny because I just booked my first trip last night of 2019 and I'm so freaking excited. I actually booked the trip to Iceland for my birthday to see the Northern Lights, which is the #1 thing on my bucket list ever since I was a little kid. I'm kind of one shook and shocked that I booked it, but I'm also like so freaking excited. I don't know why I did it. Honestly, it was not the best time to be booking trips, but I am in such a mood to travel that I cannot explain it to you guys. So I remember being so torn up over the colors that I actually don't even remember what color I got. Is it white? I think it's white. It's gonna get destroyed. Okay, what does the rest of this say? Go off the grid, out of your comfort zone, or back to your roots. We'll be with you every step of the way, so get out there and stay open. Gladly. The minute I have to check this suitcase, it's going to get destroyed, although I can leave this bag on it, I guess. I have no idea how I'm getting paid this month, but I can't wait to travel. So that was my unboxing haul. And now I'm going to start putting this stuff away in my closet. I'm not going to dive too deeply into me organizing my closet because I personally am not going to dive too deep into the organization myself. Keeping it real with you guys, I'm probably going to do a big, huge declutter really soon. Like it's on my gist list that I just need to take a day and do like a big reorganizing and just everything, but as of right now, I don't have time for that. All of my new stuff into my closet so that it's ready and available and easy for me to make my outfits for winter time, switch out all of my fall stuff, and then we'll finalize this video with just a little mini tour. Okay, so I'll give you guys just a really quick overview. Honestly, I still need to go through and do a big deep clean, but there's just a couple changes that I've made since you guys last saw my closet. First being that I brought forward more of the jackets that I'm wearing on a regular basis. These are like my longer trench coats, my gray one. I haven't rocked this plaid one yet, burgundy one that looks exactly like this gray one. I updated my booty situation, pulled out some like white booties, also have these bad boys that I want to try and rock before the holidays because I don't think red is going to be a mood carrying into the new year for me. I also hung up my New Year's dress, but I'm not going to show you guys because I kind of want to keep it a surprise. But I hung up the new pieces from Revolve up here. So this is like a new thing. I decided that I wanted to make this drawer just like pieces of clothing that are like kind of like a coming up type of drawer where if I don't know what I want to wear and I have an event to go to, a lunch to go to, a meeting to go to, or anything of the sort, even just like if I want to shoot photos with Larissa or whatever and I don't know what outfit to wear, this is like the drawer of things that I basically want to rock over the next like week or two. So I basically put out some outfits that I've already built. Like all the bodysuits from Revolve are in here because I want to snap photos in them because they're super cute and just like a skirt, a plaid pair of pants, this big giant wool red sweater, just a bunch of things that I kind of want to rock over the next week or two. Right now this is empty because I took it out this morning, but I've also even been putting my workout clothes for the day the next day in here. And then I also just updated over here with the jackets and stuff that I'm kind of more so grabbing for, like this big giant teddy bear one, my faux fur vests a lot and stuff like that. And then I hung up some sweaters towards the front, like the new one from Revolve. Like I said, I need to do a big giant just deep clean in here and organize everything again, because it's kind of gotten a little messy. Like drawers that used to be super organized are kind of now just like cluttered. Oh, and also I put my suitcase, my new suitcase, over there. So there you guys have it. That is my little mini makeover for my bedroom and my closet. I've been changing a lot of things, as you now know, with my hair and everything. So changing up my room, getting a few new pieces of clothing, changing up my wardrobe for the winter. It's been definitely refreshing and I feel like I totally needed it. Thanks for hanging out with me in today's vlog. I mean, I would keep vlogging tonight, but there's not much else I really plan on getting up to aside from editing and going to bed. My week's pretty boring until later on, so I'll end this here. Bye guys.
Sometimes I feel so, sometimes I feel